Michael Flood here, Friday, June 9th. We are out here at the State Route 18 Dabbs Creek closure in Rankin County. As you can see here, beams have been set. We're here with project engineer Trent Holbrook once again to get a progress update for us. Trent, can you tell us about what's going on behind us and what we've done?
Yeah, so as you can see behind us, we've already poured the caps and they've even set the beams. The contractor's making great progress, and next we're gonna do preparations to pour the bridge deck.
All right, so you heard it. So they're gonna pour the bridge deck next. What all will that involve?
So they have to profile the beams, get everything ready. There's a lot of prep work before you can pour the bridge deck. So hopefully in the next month or two, you might get to see a bridge deck getting poured.
Well, that is great news. I'm sure everyone's happy to hear about that. Is there any other message you want to convey to the public, the traveling public in this area?
Just our detour is still 43 to I-20 for people that are driving through. If you're local traffic, you can use the local roads, but try to stay off those if you're just traveling through the project.
That's right. Please continue to use that detour. If you're local traffic, use the local roads. Stay tuned at Mississippi DOT for progress updates on this. We'll keep you posted throughout the remainder of the project. Sign up for updates at mdottraffic.com as well for other projects to stay in the loop on those in the area as well. We appreciate you all following. Have a good one.